Thorne set the heavy mahogany case on the table. The triumvirate gathered around it, their combined wealth capable of bankrupting a small nation. Thorne slowly, carefully, unlocked and opened the case. The brass chronometer tally, polished and gleaming, seemed an almost holy object in the dim light. "Gentlemen, you understand the necessity," Gilded addressed the room, his voice regaining its command. "The official world is frozen. We have 48 hours, perhaps less, before the wires are reconnected. In that time, the panic over the unconfirmed gold supply will be absolute. We will buy, using the pre-signed warrants, at prices so low that our investment will multiply tenfold.